$50.
It's not a spinner, but it does have 2 wheels.
Okay.
So you can at least get through the airport a little bit easier.
Morning. Any pneumatic tools for sale?
Any what?
Pneumatic tools?
No. No lettuce.
How much is your dolly?
$20.
Oh, okay, that's tempting. All right, let me think about it.
Air in the tires.
Are you selling any bicycles?
No, sorry.
$35. Good deal. I'm looking for Britain's Limited collectibles. Do you have any Britain's Limited? Okay.
Don't even know what it is.
Oh, lawnmower. Oh, good price. Oh. 3,000. Excellent. What do you think about that? That's a good deal.
Monster.
Yeah.
Speakers.
Monster speakers.
Games and books.
Guys and generals. Confederates in the attic. Yeah, you never know. You could be a treasure up there.
Oh, camping is a go-to. Camping.
Oh, I could use that up in North Georgia, definitely.
Got that at Costco for $500, but I don't do any camping anymore. So
Do you know what the decibel rating is on that when it runs?
it's very low.
Okay.
Very quiet.
Okay. Dive tanks, $20 each. That's big. How much is your big anchor?
Let's see, I think should have been a tag on it. $20.
Okay. All right. Let me think about it. This is cool. A gas mask, $4. Oh, here's an adapter. What voltage it is? 12 volt, 2.67 amps. Okay.
A lot of guys out there, a lot of.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, okay. Not that we need it.
Cool turbo propane tank. Oh, there's so many community garage sales out there today. It's mind blowing.
Yeah, we didn't have them last year. And we didn't have it in the spring. My mom passed away last year, so we got some of her stuff here. $5.
Boats are 15 and 10. Wow. So this one here's a little rough, but this one here's nice. Got some plants over there too. See? Some terrariums, 3 and 5. Coconut palms. That's about it, really. These are 7s. It's a good deal, actually. $20. And that's it. What's that? Oh, no. It's not pool supplies. It's this lighting. It's interesting.
What happened to that?
I need the bulbs, actually.
Like fittings and stuff.
How much are your LED dimmable lights?
Kevin, how much are LED
Those
dimmable
came
lights?
from me. Those came from me. $3 each.
Tempting. Let me think about it.
What happened?
Yeah.
How much is your generator?
The 500 watt.
Okay. Are you selling any bicycles? Shoes. it. Some collectibles. Yeah, that's the big DeWalt chest here. That is nice. Little work table. This is nice. I like how they cut this. And over here, a lot of Christmas stuff. The Christmas boxes. Look at this nice big thing here.
I was getting $2 each for the big ones. From the sets, I'm getting 5. So all the sets are 5. Yeah, I was selling it for $4.
No, we don't have any duct tape.
There's some paintings. Boxes, that's it. Morning. Anything for the pool for sale, like chlorine tablets or micro mesh nets?
No.
Any bicycles for sale? Okay. Thank you. Sure you want to sell your bike? No, don't worry about it. I'm only...
But I want people to, like, yeah, like you. Yeah, exactly. Okay. I want to repeat it, so I call it.
That's a metal detector. Some jump rope. A little standing stick. Interesting. It's $15. It's just a basic one. Just a basic metal detector, so these are cool. This is probably a magnetic. Oh, look at it. What is this? A neck here? Oh, okay, it's a cable mower. Alright. Wireless mouse. Okay. $2. One size fits all. Morning. Any bicycles for sale?
Just a kid's bike up front.
Oh, okay. White veg. That's my bread. This is a beautiful table and chair. It is. I mean, this chair needs a little work, but this table, wow, what a deal. What a deal. I don't like the curved surface. That's one drawback that I don't like, but still, it's a nice table. Let's see, is it expanding? No, it's stationary. Oh, nice. We got a rocking chair, one of those sway rocking chairs. Candle holders. Hello.
Hey.
We're good. What cat kit? What's this? Interesting. I like the checker frames. Interesting. What's this? Hooking. Oh, this looks like a Wii. This is Wii. Oh, it's 125. Yeah, so nobody bought it. What's this? Interesting. How much are you selling your Wii for? Wii!
I have 125 on it.
125?
All the games, but I'll take 100.
I'm changing. What is the Wii? Where is that?
It's a game.
Like what it is? The Mexican game.
I don't know.
I just buy the games and it ain't an Xbox or a PlayStation. Is it?
Right. No, just a Wii.
And like, where is it? Like, can I see it? How it
It's
looks?
in the containers in the front there.
Yeah, let me show you.
That's not containers at the lot.
If you can
Someone
show me
stole our
how it
watch.
looks.
I watch.
I watch.
Yeah. Wow. That's what we get for being honest. That lady just ran up our whole front yard.
Yeah. Oh, watches. This is awesome. Expensive though, $100, $185. If you're into guitars, I'm gonna have to ask the question. Do you have any guitars for sale?
No, actually
No?
we had one once. We sold our last garage sale.
Oh, okay.
Wax.
It's like you put your hands and feet in it.
Yeah.
Oh.
LED lights. $3.
This is water fountain.
Too bad.
sir.
Not too bad.
You have to fill it up in the water.
His house so fat, he'll need.
$4 for a little cash vault. Oh, it's a good vault. Look at that.
Okay, I'm gonna take the Wii.
Okay, the Wii is done. It's done. So interested in knowing what this is. Some remote controls. Those. It's gotta be a stereo system. Yeah, the Wii, of course, was sold. I don't need to ask anymore. They sold it for 100. Morning. Wait a minute, we're on a road called Lakeshore, and this is Lakeshore Ship Store. Actually, I think this road is called Lakeland. Here's some flags. This is pretty awesome, man. Some nice looking flags. This looks like the, I was gonna say, it's nice. Wow, look at these liquor jugs. Looking for the 1964 decanter that has Igenian. Let's see it though. Lots of stuff. Videos. Hello, any guitars for sale? Just musical stands? Okay. It's okay. Like it? It's a little one. It's gorgeous. $6.
You want the hanger?
Or is it $5?
Sure, can you grab it
Morning.
back
Yeah, it's
there?
got a
This big box of Lego. 8 pounds, $25. Whoa. Another box here. This is plastic. Monitor, some books. Some razors and some clothes. That's it. All right, recap. Today was an awesome day. I spent $85, and let me go over the items I bought. Starting with the free items. Okay, at one garage sale, a guy was giving away everything. He gave me his Samsung Blu-ray player. It has no remote control, which is sad, but for free, again, it works. A Blu-ray for free, why not? He was just trying to sell it for $10, but he's going to the beach. I understand him. It's a beautiful day down there. It's very windy and very wavy down at the beach, so seashelling is fantastic. And there's a nice low tide today too, so it's gonna be awesome. He gave me this this planer. What? A planer for free? Yes, a planer. $300 planer. So anyway, it's just dusty. Literally just a good quick hose, and this thing is ready to go. So I'm gonna just spray it with some detergent. Give it a good hosing. Just get all the stuff off it, and let it dry, and it will be I'll be ready to use it. I got this for $2. I don't know. This I paid a little bit much more than I should have. I offered them $1. They wouldn't go there. I have a cup holder, and I don't know if you know these new cars. The cup holders are so small. Don't ask me why, but if you look down here, you see this little knob sticking out. Well, if you just turn this device, the knob goes out, and it fits really snug inside the cup holder. You see that? So for my my tablet, when I go out garage selling, it's really good to hold it. Have this hold it towards me so I can see it without having to hold it in my lap and braking and holding it at when I'm braking into a curve or a traffic light. So I thought that for $2 was a good purchase. So that's $2 so far. $5 I got this this bike. I think it's a 24-inch wheel though. I don't think it's 26-inch. But still, for $5 in excellent condition. They said that just the tires were flat. I'll just pump it up, and really that's it. I'll sell it at my garage sale. So the chain in the back is slightly rusty, but I'll put some WD-40 on it. It'll look like brand new when I get done with it. So $5, bingo. I'll sell it anywhere between $58 and $80. Now, for $80, the drum roll, please. I got for $80. I can't believe I spent that much. This is Russian night vision. Even says made in Russia. I don't know why it says made in Russia in English, but I guess they were trying to make it for the American market. It takes 2 AA batteries inside here. This is the on-off switch, and you do not take these things off in the daylight. These things stay on. If you take them off, you're going to burn up the sensors inside there. They got 2 little pinholes. You notice here, 2 little pinholes. You have to leave them on, and at night you can take them off. But I already looked at this during the daylight with the pinholes on, and this thing turns shadows and darkness into light. It's not thermal, but it is totally awesome. For $80, I know they sell for about $300 to $400 in the store. I thought that was a pretty good deal. So it came with this little bag here, and it's gonna fit right in there. And I don't think I'm gonna sell that. It's too nice. So I like it. It's just the little leather thing here broke off, but that's okay. Just put a little clasp there. But that's nice. So anyway, $87. So $2, 5 is 7, plus 80 is 87. Free. Again, I'm gonna slap. As soon as I clean this thing up, I'm gonna slap $150 on that, and then sure I'll slap $10 on that. But on the 5 doesn't really matter. So anyway, hopefully better luck tomorrow.